I think it's gonna be us. I think. No, it's a loud port. Severe SVR for severe warning for What's this for?
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern White County in northwestern Indiana, Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Cass County in north-central Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Lockport County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 11:30 p.m. At 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Roseland to near Kentland, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
That's fast.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Lockport, Westville, Knox, Winnemac, Trail Creek, Bridgman, New Buffalo, New Carlisle, Monon, North Judson, Three Oaks, Kingsford Heights, Long Beach, Wanata, Walcott, Franceville, Hamlet, Meaderyville, and La Crosse. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 197 and 198. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 61. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 17. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 a.m. for north-central and northwestern Indiana and southwestern Michigan.
Oh, it's gonna be rain.
Tornado watch number 131.